I'm Gus Stoltz from Vimex International, Director of Sales, and introducing a Phoenix style type product, Euro style product. Here at the show, a very common pluggable for Crestron type applications. Installers have asked us to come up with a concept where this same equal hardwire type device would have the male mate, and actually we do have that. This is for hardwire, and it has the male contacts inside, and it mates with the connector. So your problems for loose wires are now resolved with this mating set. You can contact us at www.vimex.com for more information.